Hey everyone, so just jumping right into the tutorial again, I'm just going to take my Chalk & Hill eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to take that shade on a Kylie Cosmetics blender brush and I'm just going to be buffing this shade just right into my crease and my brow bone. And I'm just going to repeat that process until the shadow is as intense as I would like it to be. And then for the second shade, I'm going to be taking this right in my crease with a ruby blender brush. I'm first off just going to pack the colour on just so I'm getting full pigment and as intense as I want it to be. And then I'm just going to go back and forth and blend that out, mainly keeping it within my crease. I'm not going to be blending up into my brow bone or onto my lid, just focusing in my crease. And then just going back and forth with that first brush that I used, the Kylie Cosmetics one, just to blend those two shades together. So then once I have that done, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. I'm not going to be doing a full cut crease, I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm just going to be stopping it basically to where my pupil is. I actually think this is the quickest I have ever in my life done a cut crease. So then to perfect the edges, I just want to go in and like push the product / concealer up the ways. And then after that, I'm just going to take any brush and I'm just going to buff out the concealer because obviously it is quite wet and tacky, but I don't want it to be too wet because I'm now going to go on it with another shadow, but I still want to keep it tacky. So picking up my first eyeshadow, and this is the Makeup Revolution Acid eyeshadow. I'm just going to be taking this on a small pointy pencil brush and I'm just going to be focusing this right in my inner corner and the front portion of my eyelid just to create that gradual acidy yellow into the turquoise kind of vibe. So then the second pigment I'm going to go in with, and this is a MAC one, this is the Trolls collection and it is called something that I cannot pronounce, I apologise. So that is the second shade that I'm going to apply on my lid, and again I'm just using that with the same pencil brush. So then taking the shimmery turquoise blue shade from the Chalk & Hill palette, I'm just going to be placing that shade right beside where I placed that MAC pigment and at the very edge of where the concealer cut crease stops. And then going into the Chalk & Hill palette again, I took the darkest brown shade on a packing brush and I'm just going to pack this just on my outer V area just to darken that area up a wee bit, and as you can see I'm taking that slightly into my crease. So I'm just going to continue packing the shadow on and then after I'm going to go and blend it. So then taking a small defining brush and the exact same shade from the Chalk & Hill palette that I used in my outer corner, I'm just going to run this shade above the shadows and just where I had cut the crease. I just kind of find that this gives the eye look more of a 3D effect and just creates like a nice shadow. It just gives quite a nice dimension to the eye. And then so it's not such a blunt line, I'm just going to go in and gently blend this out because I don't want to disturb or disrupt the other shadows. So then I'm now going to go in and blend that darker shade from the Chalk & Hill palette. So now focusing on my lower lash line, I'm just going to use the very first shade that we used from the Chalk & Hill palette in my crease and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. So then I'm taking the darkest brown shade again from the Chalk & Hill palette and that small definer brush and I'm just going to run this along my lower lash line and then buff that out. And then taking the NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Vivid Halo, let's just go for Halo. I'm just going to run this liquid liner just to where the dark shade meets the light shades, if that makes sense. I'm so bad at voiceover, I swear to God. And then I'm just going to flick that out. So for lashes, these are Cocoa lashes. I don't know the style, so I will link it down below. So then I'm actually just going to use this NYX Vivid Brights liner in my waterline, and I think I was actually purposely looking down here just to show you that these liners unfortunately do crack. and it sucks. And another thing, in case you're kind of wondering, like, this might be a wee bit bad to put this stuff in your waterline, it actually worked fine. It didn't sting, it didn't irritate my eyes or anything. It actually didn't crack that much slash at all, so it was good. So then this using this wee Chanel mascara. I think this is a perfect mascara for my lower lash line, and it's amazing. So then moving right on to lips, I'm just going to use this W7 lip liner, and this is in the shade Nude. And then using my favourite lipstick, and this is the Primark Matte Long Lasting Lipstick, and this is in the shade Almost There. And then to top that off, I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is in the shade 60 Tease. And we are done. So everyone, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram, and I will hopefully see you guys all in my next video.